Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk pads used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. In order to change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you must first lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels to gain full access. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial raising the vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. For vehicles equipped with an electric handbrake, you need to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode using a diagnostic device. To do this, we recommend you watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. Insert a flathead screwdriver to the outer extremity of the oblong hole located on the front of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will then push the piston in. Ensure that you have pushed the piston in as far as possible before moving on to the next operation. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a ratchet and a 10mm socket or install an E12 Torx socket and remove the caliper mounting bolts. You can now place the brake caliper on one of the coils of the shock absorber spring. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. Using a wire brush, clean the edges of the brake caliper mount where the brake pads go.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Coat the outside of the new pads with copper grease. Put the fasteners in place. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount, sliding them into place. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the caliper mounting bolts. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. It is now time to reactivate the electric handbrake. To do this, we recommend you watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometres or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.